Regensburg is a city with a high quality of life. The most important component of that is our innovative business environment. We started the BioPark in 1999 and laid the cornerstone for an unbelievable development. Biotech is future tech. We've created 4,000 jobs in over 50 companies at this location. This will continue into the future. We rely on the power of innovation and on the clusters in different areas. But the BioPark was the hour of our birth, our start into a new future, a combination of business and science that we are going to pursue.
Das wollen wir so weitermachen.
The development potential of BioRegio Regensburg has been regularly analyzed in locational analyses since 1996. The result today is the second largest biotechnological center and the second most important network of its kind in Bavaria after Munich. BioPark Regensburg GmbH was founded in 1999 as a company of the city of Regensburg in order to support foundations, companies and institutes from the areas of biotechnology, medical technology, diagnostics, analytics and the pharmaceutical industry. The close proximity to the university, the East Bavarian Institute of Technology, the University Medical Center, the Tech Base and the Tech Campus, short distances to the clusters of excellence in Munich and Nuremberg, as well as the strategic location next to the Danube at the border triangle of Germany, Austria and the Czech Republic, give the companies that are based here decisive advantages in the areas of logistics, research and development. The BioPark Regensburg combines promising technologies, the economic and administrative center of Eastern Bavaria, and the lively UNESCO World Heritage of the historic town of Regensburg. The BioPark Regensburg shows how successful networking in the region works. There are currently 48 companies with significantly more than 3,000 jobs doing business in this industry, a good 6 times as many as 10 years ago. The BioPark has turned Regensburg into a successful biotechnology site. The Bavarian state government supports this successful development and spent a total of 20 million euros for the 3 buildings of the BioPark. There is no more suitable way to invest in the future of Bavaria. GNOT was founded in 1999 as a spin-off of the University of Regensburg. The company has developed into a world market leader in the area of gene synthesis and is in demand as a pioneer of synthetic biology. Important milestones were the initial public offering in 2006 and the constant expansion in the BioPark and the Industrial Park in Regensburg. In 2010, GNOT was taken over by Life Technologies, today part of Thermo Fisher, a heavyweight in the area of tools for molecular biology. GNOT was hoping for a broader standing in the area of synthetic biology after the takeover. We were able to completely implement the vision behind the takeover by Thermo Fisher Scientific. Through the connection with Thermo Fisher Scientific as a strong global partner, the core business, gene synthesis, experienced a growth spurt, especially also in regions such as Japan, which are hard to open up from Europe. Through the access to additional capital, new technologies and research resources around the world, together with the required patents and licenses, we were able to not only further develop our core business, but to also extend the GNOT location in Regensburg into a global center of excellence for synthetic biology with a strong research presence. For example, the launch of an innovative technology for the accurately targeted genome modification was coordinated from Regensburg. With this technology, cells can be modified to produce biofuel, Or illness models can be developed, for example, for Alzheimer's research, or new vaccines can be developed against coronavirus diseases. The company Presense was founded in 1997 as a spin-off of the University of Regensburg and manufactures and distributes products in the area of biosensoric applications. We started as a small team of scientists and engineers. Today, we are one of the leading developers, producers, and suppliers of chemical optical sensor technology. Our continuously growing team of employees is wholeheartedly dedicated to the task of adjusting state-of-the-art sensor technology to the requirements of our customers. The initial development of unique chemical optical microsensors was rapidly expanded with further business areas by using innovative technologies. The global customer base of Presense comprises the core areas of the food and beverage industries, the area of scientific research and development, and the support of the optimization of biotechnological and pharmaceutical companies with respect to their bioprocess development. Additionally, the area of OEM products for medical technology developed through the cooperation with medical technology manufacturers. In this area, Presense offers sensor components that are integrated in more complex medical systems. Lophius Biosciences was founded in 2002 as a spin-off from the University of Regensburg and has been specializing in the development of diagnostic kits in the field of infection diseases and autoimmune disease. In 2021, the company was taken over by Microgen Diagnostic in Upper Bavarian Neu-Ried. It is a global provider of system solutions for medical laboratory diagnostics. The combination of the technology for pathogen-specific immunostimulation from Regensburg with the know-how from Microgen in the field of diagnostics and automation opens up totally novel opportunities for personalized treatment. These include diagnostic solutions for immunomonitoring of autoimmune diseases, such as multiple sclerosis, or the early recognition of microbial infections, such as tuberculosis. The Fraunhofer ITEM project group is one of two extramural research institutions in the BioPark and has set itself the goal of researching minimal residual cancer. Therapeutic options are developed that counteract the future occurrence of systemic metastases. In this process, it must above all be prevented that tumor cells separate from the primary source tumor and spread to other organs of the patient before this can be detected through a diagnosis. Among other things, therapeutic antibodies are used that are effective precisely at the tumors through the use of nanoparticles. The combination of methodical and disease-specific competencies of the Fraunhofer Society and the Institute of Clinical Chemistry and Laboratory Medicine of the University of Regensburg speeds up the development and the market introduction of innovative therapies. Another important aspect here in Regensburg is the fact that there is currently an initiative of the University of Regensburg and the Medical Center of Regensburg of several teams of researchers investigating in great detail the questions, metastasis, and propagation of malignant tumor cells. We hope that in cooperation with the Fraunhofer project group here and possibly other partners from the BioPark, we will be able to work on this important issue professionally and purposefully in Germany in the future. The BioPark is the ideal environment to turn the research results of the universities at the Regensburg location into products. Additionally, the whole region has immense potential with its strong small and medium-sized businesses in the areas of medical technology, pharmaceutics, and diagnostics and analytics. The BioPark has proven itself as a dynamic catalyst that combines biotechnology, a typical interdisciplinary technology, with other industries. Today, BioRegio Regensburg is a network across many technologies in eastern Bavaria and the second largest of its kind in Bavaria. Why it's not possible for biotechnology companies to be established just anywhere becomes clear in the basement. A gigantic filter system is constantly cleaning the air of the buildings. Every laboratory needs a clean working environment. The same principle holds true for the water. Before and after each usage, it has to be cleaned and monitored. Strict regulations ensure that no polluted or toxic substances can harm our environment. The BioPark offers numerous safety standards. This includes an emergency power supply, an access control system, video monitoring, server rooms, and an up-to-date fiber optic cable network. The in-house daycare center, Bambioni, was opened in 2011 for the important reconciliation of working life and family life. The driving force of this success story is Dr. Thomas Diefenthal, the managing director of BioPark Regensburg GmbH. He is responsible for the optimal coordination of the BioRegio Regensburg cluster and supervises the construction of the BioPark structures by BioPark Regensburg GmbH. It is due to his management that Regensburg soon ascended to the top 10 of Germany's biotechnology regions.
The BioPark and the
BioRegio Regensburg have developed very successfully. Spread across 3 different building segments, the 18,000 square meter center currently houses 36 different tenants who provide 600 highly qualified jobs. Across the entire region, there are 50 companies that have created nearly 4,000 workplaces. Over the past 20 years, we've placed 64 startups in the Northern Bavarian Business Plan competition. Our companies have raised a total of 661 million euro, half of it venture capital and half subsidy. With the foundation of the BioPark, biotechnology and life sciences have very dynamically developed into their own sector in Regensburg. Renowned, globally active companies have emerged in this location. Thanks to consistent location marketing in cooperation with the promotion of trade and industry of the city of Regensburg, it was possible to increase the international visibility of this location and network the companies and institutes in the region with each other. A satisfaction survey resulted in 85% of our customers being satisfied with our performance and the quality of our work. Since its opening, the BioPark has undergone a very fast-paced and unmatched development. Nevertheless, the end of the boom is not yet in sight. The additional linking with the healthcare sector along the entire value-added chain from research to the patient still has room for further expansion. With a turnover of 2.7 billion euros and 22,000 employees, this sector is clearly going to continue to grow in Regensburg. Whatever the future might have in store, we are well prepared.